So, we've all seen what Gemini can do inside our favorite Google apps, right? But what about the one feature that actually connects them all? That's what we're digging into today. The intelligent layer that sits on top of everything, the Gemini Side Panel.
Okay, let's start with a quick question for you. How much of your day is just lost? Jumping between a doc, then a sheet, then your email, all just to get one simple thing done? That constant back and forth, it's a total productivity killer.
Well, what if you could solve that fragmentation? What if you had your own personal AI command center? An assistant that's always there, giving you a consistent, smart experience, no matter what you happen to be working on.
So what is this thing exactly? Well, the Gemini Side Panel is basically your single central assistant for all of Google Workspace. But here's the really important part. It's not just some static tool. It's context aware. It actually understands what you're doing right in that moment. And when I say consistent, I mean it is always there. Let's say you're drafting a proposal in Google Docs. Boom, the side panel is right there with you, ready to help you tweak your writing or even pull in some research. Then you hop over to Google Sheets to analyze some data, and guess what? It's there too, ready to help you spot trends or create a chart with just a simple request.
And it's the same story in Gmail and Drive. That same smart assistant is your constant companion. The whole idea is one seamless experience, no matter which app you're using.
You see, this is a pretty fundamental shift in how we work. Instead of thinking, okay, which app do I need for this? You just ask. You ask your central assistant to summarize a doc, analyze data, or create something new. The app itself kind of fades into the background, and the task becomes the main thing.
But okay, this is where it goes from being just a helpful assistant to a genuine superpower. We're talking about its ability to completely tear down the walls between your different apps.
Just picture this. Let's say you're an analyst and you're writing a quarterly report in Docs. Instead of digging through your Drive for that sales spreadsheet, you just ask the side panel, hey, summarize the key takeaways from the Q3 sales sheet. And just like that, Gemini pulls it in. Then you're like, okay, now find the summary of that email thread with the marketing lead from last week. And bam, it's in your report too. You never, ever have to leave your document.
What that little story shows is the real goal here, right? It's all about moving away from all those separate, choppy tasks and into one single unified workflow.
And the result? It's simple, but it's totally transformative. You get a seamless, uninterrupted flow of work, all on one screen. And that means more focus, way less friction, and of course, getting more done in way less time. So at the end of the day, the side panel isn't just another feature checked off a list. There's a great quote from the source material that just nails it. The Gemini side panel isn't just a feature in your apps. It's the intelligent layer that unifies them. It's like the connective tissue for your entire digital workspace. I love that. And this really points to a future where those lines between apps just start to disappear. So I'll leave you with this question. What would it mean for your work if you could find, understand, and pull together information from your entire Google ecosystem, all through one single powerful conversation? That's the massive shift we're talking about here.